and mine is going to be very brief. And we are looking at the way forward. I want first to give a, as a member of Agricultural Committee, and I'm with my chair, and our CS is here, that will look at the coffee bill. That's the first commitment that I want to give. And I would suggest to Senator and our chair that once we retreat back to Parliament, let us see whether we can even have joint sittings, so that what is going to be agreed at the Senate level, when it comes to the National Assembly, we don't need to go back to public participation again. We pass the bill as it is, and that will have saved a lot of time and energy, and we'll have a solution for our farmers. The second one, Your Excellency, there was something I brought in Parliament before we closed, and this was about our cooperatives trading at the coffee exchange. I am also sure whether that has been achieved yet, and they had gone through all the processes and they were ready to trade. I hope and I wish, even with the Minister here of Agriculture, that that issue can be resolved as soon as possible, where the cooperatives that have qualified to trade through the coffee exchange, that they are allowed to trade as soon as possible without any further delay. The third one, Your Excellency, when I asked about the home or the husband that the farmers would prefer to belong to, they never really committed the husband that they like. Your Excellency, I was just thinking, we have a Ministry of Fisheries. I don't know how much they bring in terms of income to this country, where we have coffee as a standalone, and that's why I was against it being under AFA, and it brings a minimum of around 22 billion income. Your Excellency, I think the biggest favor you can do, apart from even saying whether it goes to the Ministry of Agriculture, we even qualify to have a Ministry of Coffee if you have Ministry of Fisheries and fish don't bring any money in Kenya. So that would be my request. So let us not belabor the point. The farmers have the capacity. We can be able to have higher yields and more income, and we can be able to have a Ministry of Coffee as a standalone. I think it's a radical recommendation, but if that's what it takes for us to have our farmers have money in the pocket, why not, Your Excellency? Na wewe ndio uko hapo saa hii ndio tuongee on our behalf. So thank you very much. I want to end it there. Your Excellency, I'll ask for permission to leave. Of course, I have to go and be attended. Na nataka kutuma Sicily Baride to your friends who bet me yesterday. They were women, Honorable Millie Odhiambo and Honorable Rosa Buyu. They even stole my phone. Please ask them hata kama walinipiga wanirudishie simu. And now, Your Excellency, vile wezi nipata tumana simu ikuja, ilikuwa iPhone 14 wakachukua jana. Asante sana, God bless you, and I wish all the farmers the best. We are committed to bring reforms in the coffee industry. God bless you so much. Asante sana.
Thank you, Honorable Sabina. I want to invite Honorable Millie.